Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog, my channel, whatever this is today. I am doing something kind of sad. I have this kit that I got. I took all the stuff out. As you can see, there's little feet. It is a paw printing kit. So I got it on Amazon and it looked really cute. So we are going to be, we being me, I'm gonna be paw printing Holly today. So it has this little frame, you put their picture and then their paw print. It comes with 2 different things of clay, which is really nice because I was kind of paranoid, like what if I mess it up? It also comes up with these cute little charms that you can put on it, and then letters. So you can stamp it. I'm kind of like wondering why there's so many of each letter, but I'll have to look it up again. And then it says my paw lids, and it comes with a really nice note from the creator, which I appreciate. So it just says that you might be buying this because your pet is leaving you. Okay, so basically you take the clay out, you knead it for 2 to 3 minutes, then you put it into the box and you use a roller to flatten it out, and then you put your puppy's paw in it, and then you can do name, date, stamps, stuff like that. So yeah, I guess that's what I'm doing today. So these are the little letters and you just have to cut them apart, I guess, and like put them on the stamper thing. Okay, I got the letters and it was kind of a pain because I had to trim off like the tops, and then I didn't realize like there was a little left in between, so I'm hoping the spacing is right. Okay, so I'm going to knead the clay for 2 to 3 minutes as directed. Oh, why are you getting up right now? Yeah, come here. Oh, I need your help with this, okay? Ready? Make sure your paw is dry. Oh, hold on. Okay. Ready? Press down. Is it good? Is it good? Did I get it? Now we put the name and decorate. Okay, now we make it look cute. Okay, we're stamping with the name. Holly. And then got fur in it.